Elephants, Earth's largest land animals, are a testament to the wonders of biology. Weighing over 12,000 pounds, their colossal bodies are supported by massive skeletons, powerful muscles, and remarkable organs adapted for their immense size. Despite their bulk, elephants exhibit astonishing agility, navigating varied landscapes with grace. They are renowned for their prodigious memory, able to recall intricate environmental details. Communication among elephants is equally impressive, with an array of vocalizations conveying complex messages. Their iconic trunks, equipped with about 40,000 muscles, are versatile tools. Herbivorous by nature, they consume hundreds of pounds of vegetation daily. Despite their scientific marvels, elephants face conservation challenges due to habitat loss and poaching. Please share and subscribe.